My name is Scott Ehni, and in the process of building these aircraft and a couple others, I became acquainted with Airmaster propellers. We put our first one on, a Turbine 701, and we're so pleased with the additional performance from the configuration that when we decided to build these two aircraft to fly from Texas to Alaska and back on amphibious floats, the obvious choice was Airmaster propellers. We went with the UL engine combination in these planes, and at the time there was no cockpit adjustable or constant speed prop available for the UL. Martin stepped up to the plate and designed a hub from scratch for the UL engine. We decided to put a 3-bladed on one and a 2-bladed on the other so that we could determine which one performed better in our application. Ironically, with a controllable pitch prop, they both perform flawlessly. I've been very happy with them, and in the flight up here to Oshkosh from Texas, they both held RPM plus or minus 10 RPM, which is phenomenal for a constant speed prop. We tested these blades, the Whirlwind blades, in ground adjustable hubs prior to putting them in Martin's hub. And while the blades performed admirably, having the ability to set them in a climb configuration and then a cruise configuration has greatly increased the performance of the aircraft. The beauty of these is that Airmaster designed the propellers so that we can have beta when we're on the water. So now when we're operating off of floats, we don't have to work so hard to dock the aircraft. We have forward and reverse, and we have a neutral position where we can keep a little power in the engine and be ready to put it in reverse, and it works very, very well. We've had the Airmaster propellers on these two planes for a very short time, but we've had them on the Turbine for several years. The support that we get from Airmaster when we come up with something we want to do has been phenomenal. Their engineering is exceptional. They're just a wonderful company to deal with, and I would highly recommend anybody that's interested in a controllable pitch prop with a beautiful constant speed governor to give Airmaster a call and talk to them. They manufacture propellers for a wide variety of engines, and I believe any engine can benefit from a constant speed propeller.